everyone, welcome to Chatterbites. Today is the first episode of home gardening. We are gardening today to build a raised bed. We are trying to farm at home because of COVID-19, but the problem is we have clay soil, so we can't really plant many plants here. So, as a solution, we found a raised bed is the best solution. So we looked around Amazon and Home Depot, but those prices are really expensive. My budget's $100. The cost for those pre-made raised beds is twice as much. So when we stopped at Lowe's, we got inspired by their cheap, easy to build raised bed. So we built all of that for just above $100, which is my budget. Follow me, I'll show you how to build a raised bed. So I got 8 of these $3 stones at Lowe's to get the required size, height, and length. So it totally adds up to around $24. So we got two 10-feet boards from Lowe's, which they cut into 4 feet and 6 feet boards for free. And so they totaled around $36 for both boards. Totals to around $81. We already had some weed fabric, which I was able to bargain my dad had to use for no cost at all. This is the drip system already here to water these trees. We're gonna put it in a way that it also waters our raised bed once we put it. To keep it from moving around, we will use these landscape staples. I'm gonna pull it straight and put it in the rear corner first. This is weed fabric. This is supposed to keep weeds from growing. I'm gonna measure this box, then place the weed fabric to fit the rectangle. I pierced it through both of them to keep them together. So I finished putting the weed layer, and now we are going to add these blocks, which have these grooves in them, which the board can fit in perfectly. See? That was a heavy one. You know, coincidentally, the test was actually about how the Native Americans modified their environment to help them thrive. Like, for example, the Native Americans dug canals to get water to their crops, just like how we modified our drip system to get water to our raised bed. As you can see, I'm building a little mountain which forms this trench. And the reason why I want that trench is because that's where I'm going to put my drip water system. This is a turmeric herb. We got this from a nursery. This is actually my mom's plant, so I'm gonna take it out carefully, break up the soil a bit. See the roots? Break up the soil a bit more. Now that the roots are exposed, breaking it up a bit. Then place it down there. Then cover up the roots with dirt. I finished the raised bed, and I'm gonna plant in all the plants tonight. And if you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. In the next episode, I will teach you how to make the drip system.